Welcome back. My name is Shanna Rifkin, FAMM's General Counsel. We're learning about cases being argued at the Supreme Court on November 12, 2025. Let's talk about what the Supreme Court is deciding in United States versus Rutherford and Carter. As soon as the Sentencing Commission made the provision allowing district court judges to consider unusually long sentences along with other factors as a reason to reduce a federal sentence, federal prosecutors pushed back across the country. They argued that the commission did not have the power to make this rule, that only Congress can decide whether a new sentencing law applies to people who are already in prison. Federal prosecutors argue that the commission stepped into Congress's job. Lawyers call this a separation of powers issue, basically which branch of government gets to make the rules. But people fighting for sentence reductions say something different. The commission isn't changing any law. It's just giving judges the freedom to look at big sentencing differences along with other things like rehabilitation and decide if someone deserves a second chance. And the law that gives the commission this power says only one thing can't be relied on to reduce a sentence, and that's rehabilitation alone. So what might the court decide? If the court says that what the commission did was wrong and judges cannot consider unfairly long sentences, then thousands of people who might have had a shot at early release could lose that chance moving forward. And whatever rule the Supreme Court comes up with becomes the rule nationwide. But wait, there's more. In another case being argued that same day, United States versus Fernandez, the court is looking at how far these sentence reductions can go. What is the outer limit of arguments that lawyers can make? For example, can someone argue for release if they say that they were innocent? These cases together will shape what kind of second chance arguments are allowed in federal court. This is a huge moment for sentencing reform and second chances. We will be watching closely and we will keep you updated.